So you're thinking about selling your home this summer, but you're not sure what to expect. Maybe you've heard it's still a good time, or perhaps you're wondering why some homes are sitting while others are selling fast. Well, the truth is the market is shifting. Inventory's up, buyers have more options, and they're taking their time. If you want to sell quickly and avoid price cuts, there are a few things you need to do before you list. Let me walk you through these 3 simple but essential steps to help you stay ahead of the market this summer. Fix the little things before you list. Most buyers right now are tight on cash because of the higher interest rates. So that means they don't want to take on repairs right after closing. So before you list, walk through your home and look for anything a buyer might flag. Loose doorknobs, repaint walls, leaky faucets in the bathroom. Fix it now. These may seem like minor issues, but together they shape how your home feels and whether a buyer sees it as move-in ready or not. If those repairs are needed during the inspection, they could cost you more later or even kill the deal. Create a space buyers can picture themselves in. Next up is staging. And no, this doesn't mean that you have to hire a new designer and buy new things. It just means cleaning up the clutter, making it neutral. And the first thing is you want to start with decluttering. Clear off countertops, remove anything, box up old pet stuff, family pictures, anything that feels like a buyer could object to, or if it makes it too crowded, just box it up and put it away. And when a buyer can see themselves living there, that's when the offers start coming. Make a plan for showings. Here's something many sellers overlook: how your home feels during the showings. It matters. If you have young kids or pets, keep the house clear and distraction free. Talk to your agent about the best times to show your home and set a schedule that works. See, if you can step out during showings and take your pets with you, buyers are going to feel more comfortable and spend a little more time exploring the home. It takes a little effort and it goes a long way to creating that right impression. Selling a home in the summer of 2025 is absolutely doable, but it takes the right prep and a smart plan. Fix what needs to be fixed, stage your space to show it off, and make it easy for your buyers to show. If you want help figuring out where to start or what repairs to focus on, I am more than happy to walk you through. Let's just get together, reach out, and let's put a quick strategy plan that works for you and your family. Call me, text me, email me, whatever. I am here to help. And as always, be blessed.